Hello friends, today we are going to make this delicious Paneer Methi Malai on tasty curry heaven. This recipe is so mouth-watering and delicious. So let's get started. First add some oil into a pan. Then we have 400 grams of paneer cut into cubes. We are going to lightly fry the paneer on both the sides. To give it a slight golden brown color. Next, we are going to make the masala. Add some oil in a pan and add whole garam masala, 10 to 15 black pepper, 5 to 6 cloves, 2 inches of cinnamon sticks, 2 green cardamom, 1 star anise, 1 black cardamom, 2 small bay leaves. Give it all a good mix so that all the flavors of the masala are infused into the oil. Now add 1 roughly chopped onion. Give it a good mix and then add 6 to 8 cloves of garlic, 1 to 2 inch of ginger, 10 to 15 cashews, 5 to 6 green chilies. Give it a good mix and let the onion turn translucent. Add a pinch of salt. Then add some water and give it a good mix. When this mixture cools down, we will blend it into a fine paste. Now we are going to turn off the gas and let it cool down. The masala has now cooled down. I'm going to remove the star anise, the black cardamom, and the bay leaves. Now we are going to blend it into a fine paste. Set it aside and now let's make the gravy. Add some oil to the pan and add 50 grams of butter to the pan. Add a pinch of aesophedita to the oil. Now we will add our ground masala to the pan. Then mix well. Then rinse the blending jar with some water and add the water to our pan. Give it a good mix. Then add 1 cup of yogurt and mix well. Then add 2 teaspoons white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala. Stir until all the ingredients are mixed well and the oil starts oozing from the gravy. Then add some salt to taste. Give it a good mix. Our gravy is nicely cooked. I have fried some fenugreek leaves, also known as methi leaves, before, and we are just going to add it to our gravy. Then add our fried paneer to the masala or the gravy and give it a good mix as well. Then add some water, depending on the consistency you prefer. Then cook it on a low flame for 10 minutes. It's been 5 minutes and all the masalas and the flavors have been infused into the paneer. Add 1 cup of fresh cream and some dried fenugreek leaves. Then give it a good mix. Our recipe is now ready to serve and enjoy with some roti or naan. Just garnish it with some coriander leaves and our delicious Paneer Methi Malai is ready to serve and enjoy. Our kitchen is filled with delicious aroma. And oh my god, it's absolutely yummy. I hope you try this recipe out. You will not regret it. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so that you are notified first when our new delicious videos are released. Thank you for watching, and until next time, get spiced and thrive.